Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox Emotes not working. First, make sure your internet connection is stable and strong. Many in-game features, including emotes, rely on a consistent connection to load and operate without interruption. A weak or intermittent signal can prevent emotes from appearing or activating correctly, so checking this first is a very good starting point for troubleshooting. Next, try restarting your device, whether it is a phone, tablet, or computer. This simple action often resolves many temporary software glitches that might be interfering with your game. Additionally, completely close the Roblox application and then reopen it. This process gives the app a fresh start, allowing it to reinitialize properly and often fixes minor loading or functionality issues, taking only a few seconds. It is essential to verify your emotes are equipped within your avatar settings. Many players forget that emotes must be actively assigned to an available slot on their emote wheel to function in-game. Head to your avatar customization menu, find the emotes section, and ensure your favorite ones are dragged into the active slots. You will typically have up to 8 slots for these fun animations, making them ready to use. Sometimes, corrupted data in the application's cache can cause problems, so try clearing your Roblox application cache. This process removes old, potentially problematic files that could be interfering with emote functionality. If the issue still persists after clearing the cache, a full reinstallation of the Roblox application might be necessary. This ensures you have the latest and cleanest version of the game, free from any deep-seated file corruption, taking a few minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.